my friend Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you. The first one is this die called Fall Oval Die Set. And what it has is it has this oval with the shadows for the pumpkins. So you're going to add the pumpkins on top, and there's extra greenery to add more. And when I show you the samples, you're really going to fall in love. The next one is the Slimline Try Happy Halloween. So remember, we just released the Smile. Now we have Happy Halloween with a spider web at the bottom and Happy Halloween. Now these letters pop out separate, so you can do them separately if you want. The Halloween is all together, one word pops out, and the fun bats, things like that. And then we're also releasing, finally, by popular request, our T-Rex Fold It. Now the T-Rex Fold It is really fun because he comes with a lot of extra things. He comes with a fun parade little banner. He comes with a hat. He comes with a mini T-Rex and little maracas so you can see him playing. Isn't that fun? Now, I have a couple other things to share with you, but I'm going to show you the samples first on these items. So here we go. Here's our cute Happy Halloween. So the bats, and you got the cute spider web, some extra bats. Look at this one. So they're all similar, but very different if you look at these. This one says, Happy Halloween, Happy Halloween. Look at how cute those are. Now let's see if I can grab another. Well, let's move these over just a little. Let's grab another one because I like you to see all the different ways you can do these. So just mixing and matching those colors is going to change it up quite a bit. Here's another one. I love this one because the happy is done in candy corn colors, which is fun. Now let's look at our fall oval, which I am in love with. Look at how beautiful that is. You can ink those colors. You can also just die cut it in different colors if you want to. Ooh, here's a pretty one. Happy Fall. Don't you love that? I love that. Now that's the uppercase die, just so you know, for the letters if you want that one. Ooh, look at it on a 5x7. On the 5x7 decal edge. Look how gorgeous that is with our fun burlap background. Ooh, here's another 5x7. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely stunning. And here's a cute one on A2. Gorgeous. Love it. Isn't that fun? And you can add the extra sprig right on the inside. Now, is it just for fall? Oh, no, no, no. Because what if you love that oval, but you don't want it to be for fall? Put some flowers on it. Look at that. Now you have greenery with some flowers, birthday hugs, and now it is a birthday oval. Don't you love that? Now let's look at our T-Rex, because you know what? His little mouth and his little smile just make me laugh every single time. Look at how cute he is. So he is a shaped card. Here's another cute one that can be a shaped card or put on a card front. That is up to you. Here's another cute one. Oh, holding a cup of coffee, because you know we all need our coffee, right? I love that. Isn't that cute? So fun. And then here's a cute one with our congrats, holding our little banner, or you can make that banner into a flag if you want to. So smart. And here's a cute one on a 5x7 just saying "rawr." Isn't that awesome? Open that up. "Rawr" means I love you in dinosaur. Isn't that cute? Now, we have a couple other things to share with you. Number one, and because it is my birthday month in August, we are releasing our Pink Family Felt. What? Look at that. So you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pinks in this kit. Now, the felt families are because of popular requests. We've had so many people say, I love the felt, but I don't need 2 sheets of each color like we normally sell them. Well, now you can get them in felt families, and you can get 1 sheet of each. Now, one question I get all the time is, are the sheets the full size? Yes, they're still the full size. Every color is the full size, but you're getting just 1 of each. So then you have a lot of more options. So yes, every single sheet is the same size. Even though we fan it like this to make it look pretty, they're all the same size. But we couldn't stop with just pink. We also are offering our Purple Plus felt family. So purple also includes, we have our purples here, but then we have some other colors that are in our color palette. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 5 sheets. We kind of had this one as a catch-all. So this is Purple Plus, now available on the website. Again, all the same size. Lastly, on our website now, by popular request, many of you fell in love with the digital download that I offer on our website for 2023. What is it? It has this cute little, you just download it. You can print it as many times as you want. It has instructions on there. There's 2 magnets. I put 2 Tiffany magnets on here to hold it up really well. That's just cardstock, you guys, just cardstock. And then you print it. It has the calendar and let it snow. Now, we're not selling in 2023. I do have the 2024. I'm just showing you a sample. But you can put a card front, an A2 size card front on here. So here we have January, February, March. Look at that. April. Isn't that fun? Now, one thing we noticed right away is it gets really big on this one side and not big on this side. So another customer request, and we did this, and we will have it on the 2024 for sure, is the download includes, and let me fold this one because I haven't folded it yet. The download includes the calendar on this side, and let me fold this one. The calendar, now don't worry, the instructions on the website will tell you where to score this and where to cut it so you know, and on this side. So you see, it's on both different sides. So you can mix and match. So watch this. So January, the next one's going to be on the other side. February, then the next one's going to be on the other side. So you can go back and forth with your cards so each side is equally thick. I know, these are fun. Now, why are we releasing these so early for 2024? Because they make the perfect gift. Imagine giving this to someone. I just used my cinch up at the top. Imagine giving this to someone as a gift 2 different ways. Number one, you could give it to them empty and maybe start them out with the January. And then every month, you could, a little bit before the month starts, you could send them a new card front to put on their calendar. So then they're getting a little piece of Happy Mail from you every single month, and they get to add it to their calendar. How fun is that, right? Another thing why I like these calendars is because the cards last longer. You get to see it for a whole month before something happens to it. So it's really fun. And again, you get both files. It's one big file, so it's every other one is opposite. So print it once, and then you'll have 2 sets, right? Now, we also released on the website our 2024 full page calendar. I've laminated mine. I have a laminator. I bought it on Amazon. You can find it on my Stephanie's Favorites on the website. But I printed this just on regular paper. You can also do it on cardstock. And I laminated it, and this goes on the side of my fridge. So I have it for 2023, and I can't wait to put 2024 up there. So just another idea for you. Digital downloads, you get to print as many times as you want. Do not share them, but you get to print them as many times as you want. What? I know, look at this. This is amazing, huh? All these fun things. So my friends, club members, you know the deal. Club discount on every single item on our website. No exclusions. Isn't that amazing? If you're not in the club, you are missing out. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and just watch that video, because you know what? It's amazing. You have to subscribe to at least one. I mean, they start at only $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set sent to you each month. So much fun. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com, and guess what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.